Day 2 in Arizona. I love this place already. Like last night we just hung out with, and we met a real estate agent. It's funny. And she's explaining to us a lot about like the real estate here, what it's like. And we're just like, are we falling in love with Arizona?
Well, because it was funny because we talked about like, okay, if we were gonna get a rental property to Airbnb out, this would be a great place.
Yes.
Because people come here to get away from the snow. It's a snowbird destination,
Yes.
right? So it was just funny that we had literally had that conversation. Then we went downstairs and we sat beside a real estate agent, and
Yes.
she was like totally willing to tell us how to buy property here in Arizona.
We have her card and everything like that. It's on my Instagram, but yeah. What are the odds? And sometimes I'm just like,
And she gave us some like recommendations of things to do here.
things to do and everything, and like I just gotta take in this view here real quick. Like look at that mountain side right there. Like, whoo! I'm glad I parked up here. Anyways, today we are heading to Target. Ha!
Yes.
Because she loves Target. I like Target.
Spending 70 hours just to be in Monterey with you. 3 hours in and we're talking about our futures like we have.
So, Brittany's favorite spot. This has to be like one of the biggest Target that we've ever been to, really. But yeah, we're gonna stock on the snacks. We're gonna go buy some energy drinks. Brittany's gonna go, I don't know what she's gonna do. I'm gonna let you do your thing. Bye-bye. Come find me. I'm gonna go look at drinks. One big reason why Brittany likes to go here is because in America, there's all sorts of flavors of everything here, and then some. Like, insane. Like, we don't have any of this. Lonnie new packets. We got like, we can barely get this Celsius stuff, but when you do, it's like $5 for one. This is roughly to be like $4, but multiple flavors. Look, I want one. Mango, green tea, non-carbonated. I want the carbonated though. Like, essential energy. Like, I'm getting one of this. Maybe two. It sucks because like we didn't bring any luggage, so we can't pack it up. They'll want us to dump this right away. So we're just gonna try to enjoy it while we can. I love it. Bless. What?
My alkaline water, they have it flavored here. In Canada, you can only get it unflavored. Look at the black cherry.
And they're not expensive too, actually.
No.
What else is meltdown stuff though? What is that?
I don't know.
Novelty. Novel energy, 4 electrolytes,
But like,
real ketones.
So I'm getting strawberry rhubarb and dirty lemon.
I bought some Celsius.
Did you?
Yeah, but this is so cool. Like unnecessary, like just crazy. Look at all these like different flavors of Bang energy drinks. Lottie, no. It's wild. I just love it.
So we can't get back home. Look at that. Mango passion fruit.
Caffeinated. This one's caffeinated.
That's coconut pineapple.
What? There's caffeinated sparkling water. What? And they're $4 US. That's like 5 something. 5 something for this.
Yeah.
Whereas like $8 for one of these back home.
And we don't even get the cool flavor.
And they're not even caffeinated or anything cool. What? I kind of want that. Dang.
Spending 70 hours just to be in Monterey with you. 3 hours in and we're talking about a future.
So Brittany and I literally just pulled into a lovely neighborhood near like Scottsdale, outside of Scottsdale. And it's like beautiful. Palm trees. Some of the houses are gorgeous. But yeah, we're taking back off. Let's see what's going on. Just want.
Oh, I think it's so cute. Look at how cute this little house is. They're so cute. Babe, this is adorable. Look at this house. Wow, that is like my dream. You can go this way and then go back out to the GPS.
Look at this house though.
Wow, look at the giant cactus. This is so cute.
Okay, so we're in like Scottsdale and it's like the nicest freaking area ever. Check this out. Huh?
Look at that view. Okay.
Take a photo. So I want to try to capture this real quick before like we get like kicked out or anything like that. Like literally the road we went up, it's a dead end here, but all these are houses built to the side of the mountains. Like, I don't know if you guys can see the vastness of this. It's insanely huge. Like, who lives here? Built there, like crazy. Like, talk about inspirational. Like, there's more stuff up there, like little palm trees. Insane. Like, I'm just gonna go one more time around. Like, inspiring. It's just insane. I love this freaking place. Like, Arizona is like one of my favorite states now. We finally found what we were looking for, because there was like a house in the mountain on the side that I really wanted to go look after, and I just wanted to, no stopping, standing parking. Oh, that's sad. But this is it right there. This is giant fucking estate there. But look at the excavator up there. Like,
I couldn't imagine. It's all these motorbikes like displayed.
what? And he has like old west, like,
Yeah. He's got like a glass cactus in the front door, which is sick.
I'm gonna try to record that on the way back though. But private
property.
Yeah,
We're just gonna have to do a little turnaround.
yeah. Brittany was saying, like, if you zoom in, I'll probably try my best to zoom in, but he has like a bike display here at his house. So cool.
It is really cool.
So cool. Wow. Like, talk about inspiration. Like, it's amazing. I love it. Today's just a random day. We're just kind of like going around and seeing what's here, driving in random streets. I'm glad we did that. I'm glad we made it over.
So glad we did.
I'm glad we're just like, I was like, oh, sign of the mountain, let's go look. Crazy. All right, so we are on foot now. We ended up finding an underground parking, and then we're at like the mall. Everybody here is it's kind of Nordstrom. Everybody here drives like Rolls Royce. It's like super loaded. Everybody, it's insane. I feel like totally out of place. I'm not about these kind of stuff, and I can't justify spending the money as well too. Coffee roasters though, I am down for. Maybe get some of this on the way back out, but yeah.
Bus whole creamery.
An alcoholic and non-alcoholic milkshake and coffee ice cream. Are you serious?
It's not closed right now. They're closed on Thursdays.
There was alcoholic ice cream. What?
Hand cut burgers.
Oh, but this place is gorgeous. Like, we're just here on December 26th. Like, back home it's like blizzards up to your knees, snow, freezing.
This is like Scottsdale, glittery. Oh my gosh,
Where? Oh, we can go all the way over there, I think. Little. This is a man-built look, babe.
yeah,
It's like
little man-made
like a little river.
river.
Scottsdale. This place is so nice, though. It would be nicer even at nighttime.
Oh, it'd be beautiful at nighttime.
I didn't hear it, but it's so.
Stay away from boys like me who write songs about you. And it feels wrong without you. And so I'll say now, baby, what's the problem today? Just take my hand, let's run away and see the coast of Monterey. So we packed up the Subaru I-5 North. Now you're screeching on the pavement, but I'm not sure if this is such a good idea anymore. But it's okay.
So we just finished up a little coffee break. Check it out. And we've just been like kind of walking around, checking out this old town Scottsdale. It's like little like shops and stuff like that. They're trying to preserve like the old town, like what it used to look like. It's pretty cool. And all these like home like shops. We got ourselves a nice hat. But I love this place. Like, all paid for by your American Express Cobalt card. Referral link below. So give me more points to travel. They're not even sponsoring me or anything like that, but that's okay. I just want more points, and you want more points, and we all can travel together and go somewhere. Super nice. But this is like the crystal store.
Like this is like all indigenous.
Like the little stuff, like we can look and see if we can
Can
get
we just
home.
go in?
Yes, we can. Please, no photos or videos allowed. Oh, no videos or photos. All right, I'm gonna turn you guys off. Sorry. Like what? This is the highest condo I've seen so far.
Yeah.
This is it.
Let's do that.
The tallest probably in the whole city, probably. In the town of Scottsdale. This place is so cool. Where all the fancy cars at? All the fancy cars. Nope, no Ferraris, no nothing.
Residents and valet parking only.
Let's be real, like if you're like balling and stuff like, is this a hotel? I don't think it is.
Oh.
This is residence. This is such a nice place. Such a nice place.
Sounds awesome.
I don't know what that means.
Hair and outer pure flour, absolute juice, simple syrup, topped with champagne. I'm totally getting a Harajuku lover.
So we ended up like we were just like, starving. We were just kind of like walking around Old Town, and now like we went to like 2 other places. Like they were just packed. Like their lines just like it's Boxing Day, and the mall was packed. Everything was packed, and then we just randomly walked down this like road. Down the Scottsdale road. I can't even zoom in to show you guys, but anyways, we walked down and we're just like looking around and we're like, okay, this place has like happy hour and everything's like all sushi, and so we're deciding just whatever, we're gonna here having like sushi in Scottsdale. Why not, right? So this is all gonna work out, but this place is aesthetically awesome looking. It's, like I love the way it looks here, everything a little about it. What is this place even called?
It's Geisha Go-Go.
Geisha Go-Go. Look how cute this ginger ale is.
It's so little.
Look how cute this is. This is a ginger ale. This is so little. Like this. Why? It's like for kids. I love it. It's like.
No, I love it.
What the heck?
It's so little.
Okay, what are we gonna do? This is so tiny. Smart buggers, keels, it's basically dumplings. What the hell?
What I'm eating.
This is a crab, lobster mozzarella, and tempura, and I dip it. Holy!
I know.
Like perfect mozzarella with crabs, lobster inside. Holy moly! Double dipping.
I double dipped the whole thing.
What the heck's Scottsdale? Wow. Am I falling in love with Arizona? Like, what the heck's going on here? Wow. This is unreal. Right, the right texture, cheesiness. Oh. Oh, there is. Ooh. I need some. So take a wasabi, and then you put it in here. And just kind of mix it all up. Brittany's like crying over here. Spicy?
Yeah, it's spicier than I thought it was. I'm usually pretty good, but that went right down the nose.
Alright. Japanese chicken wings, I guess? Brittany says it's spicy. Oh yeah, there's a little bit of a kick.
There's a bit of a kick to it.
There's a bit of a kick. For me. Wow.
I'm dying.
Wow. It's like Philly cheese, like cheese. Oh. So good. So good. This place, so good. I gotta pin this location. I'm gonna show you guys where it is on the map, I guess. And if you guys are ever in Scottsdale, this is the one place I do recommend. I'll probably come back here.
Spending 70 hours just to be in Monterey with you.